Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So in this video we are going to start a new series. In that we are going to learn Python from the scratch. If you don't know any programming language, don't worry. In this series of videos we are going to learn Python from the basics to advanced. So first question arises in our mind, why we should learn Python? We have lots of languages like C language, C++, Java, PHP, Ruby and many more. Why we should learn Python? We should learn Python because Python is one of the simplest and easiest language ever. Okay? Python is one of the fastest growing language. Python used in machine learning, Python used in deep learning, Python used in web development and many more fields. In short, Python used in everywhere. Okay? So Python was created in 1990 by Guido van Rossum. So Python is designed for each and every kind of applications. So it is called general purpose programming language. It is an interpreter based language. It is not a compiler based language. So now we are going to start our series, but first thing, how we can install Python in our device? For that you have to open your browser and just type python.org. So this is the official website of Python. Now click on Python 3.8.2. Right now latest version of Python is Python 3.8.2. Okay. Now scroll down. Now you can see here Python executable installer, that means that is an exe installer. Now click on that. I am not going to download this because in my device I already download Python exe file. Okay. Now go to your exe location. So this is my exe file location. Now double tap on this. So first thing, you click on this add Python 3.82 path option. After that, the path of Python language will automatically set to your environment variable. Okay. So now click on install now option. It will install all requirements of Python. Okay. So in this series of videos we are going to learn how can we make some games with Python. We are going to also learn how can we make websites with Python, and also we are going to learn machine learning and deep learning core topics. Okay. So my one request is, please follow this series. This installer will take 1 or 2 minute time. Now you can see that our setup is now successfully done. Now we want to see Python is really installed on our device or not. For that, open your command prompt and just type Python. So now you can see that this command does not giving us any type of error. That means Python is completely installed in our device. If this command is giving you such error, then comment below. Okay. So guys, now we installed Python in our device. In next video we will create our first program in Python. Okay. So guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our channel.